Hello, my name is Jacob Boucher, and welcome to my SAMR in Motion presentation. First things first, let's learn about what SAMR is. As stated by PowerSchool, the SAMR model is a framework created by Dr. Ruben Fuentedora that categorizes 4 different degrees of classroom technology integration. Substitution is substituting the activity with a piece of technology with no real functional change. Augmentation is substituting the activity with a piece of technology with functional improvement. Modification modifies the activity or the outcome using technology. Redefinition has the chance to completely redefine the way that the activity is traditionally completed using technology. To make it a bit more easy to remember, substitution and augmentation are considered to be enhancement, since they merely enhance what the assignment was already using with technology. Modification and redefinition are considered to be transformation, since they completely transform the objective and the process of the activity. To show how this example works in a real and possibly relatable assignment, I will use the SAMR model with the California Mission Project. This was a project done by 4th graders throughout California. Students will pick one of the 21 missions and make up a report and model of the mission. The traditional project was usually a model made out of craft supplies. Some students would come to school with really extravagant models, usually meaning that their parents would do the bulk of the work, implying that the students really didn't learn. Using substitution, I would have students make a Google Slides presentation of a selected California mission. They would need to make sure to include all the essential parts of the mission and the history as well. This substitutes a traditional book report and model with pictures and a presentation regarding the mission. For augmentation, given that this 4th grade class has a lot of financial resources, they would need to 3D print out a model of one of the California missions. This is much more technologically complex compared to the traditional assignment. However, it is still keeping the same functionality and thought process of building a model. For the modification section, I would have them use the virtual game Minecraft to create one of the California missions. They will have an opportunity to get creative, as there are a lot of different options with this game. Given that the school has plenty of resources, students could even collaborate with peers and work in groups to complete this. Finally, for redefinition, using the coding website CodeSpark, I would have the students tell us of the life of a regular person living in a California mission. This is a low-cost technological change to the assignment and allows students to be able to learn the basics of coding in the process. Another huge benefit that this allows is for the students to be able to do this remotely.